You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Renata, and in today's video I'm very excited to share a collaboration with you guys. This fabric was gifted to me by Modes4U. If you are interested to know a little bit more about the fabric as well as the pattern that was used to create this beautiful dress, please meet me in the next section. Okay friends, so a few weeks ago Modes4U contacted me and they wanted to work with me on a project so I can showcase to you their beautiful fabric and give a really good review on their products. So with that said, I want to let you know that they don't only have fabric, they also have really cute kawaii items. So if you are interested in that sort of thing, or if you have kids that might be interested, you can definitely check them out. They have a lot of Japanese inspired items as well, so check out their catalog, see what they have to offer, but don't forget to head over to their fabric collection because they have a huge range of fabrics, both US based fabric brands as well as Japanese based fabric as well. So the one that I have on right now is a Japanese illustration, and this is a cotton lawn fabric. I love this thing. It has such a breathable feel to it. It's really light. It is a bit sheer, so if you prefer to be more modest, I would highly recommend, based on the pattern of your choice, that you definitely line this. However, I didn't feel the need to line my project, but once we get to the pattern review, I'll talk to you guys about that. However, this is an amazing fabric. I love the color coordination of each item on this fabric. So the leaves, the flowers, the blooms, the colors are just so amazing and really nicely designed, so it looks beautiful. It definitely gives off a cottagey feel, a little house on the prairie feel. So if you are interested in tiered dresses, a lot of romantic style dresses, ruffles, this sort of pattern and fabric is your best options. So I cannot wait to take you guys through the 360 where I show you how it fits on the human form and how beautiful it looks. But before we get to that section, let's take a look at the pattern that was used. For this dress, I decided to work with New Look N6692. Here is the image of the dress, and I'm going to read off some info from the package. So this pattern runs from a size 6 through 18. I use a size 12 for my dress because that works best for me. Typically, I would wear a size medium if I'm buying straight ready to wear items, or sizes 8 through 10. So that's kind of the size range I'm in. But when I'm sewing, I go with a size 12, mainly because I have broad shoulders. I also have a longer torso, and that works better for me. So this dress has some unique features. The back is really beautiful. It's more sheared. It looks pretty sheared, but there are elastic that's run through the back of it, and you create casing for the elastics to go through. So that portion is a really nice detail on this dress. There's also a tie detail to keep the dress upper part here by the shoulders from falling off, because the back is also a bit lower than the front. It's not super deep in the back, but it's low enough where it's really important to have something to pull the back together so it does not slide off. It comes with a puff sleeve, which is very cute, and it also has some I would say it's a princess line detail, because the bust starts here and this is where the yoke for the front starts, so it gives off a sort of princess line feel to it. And then there is the gathered skirt portion and the ruffled hem, which is the cutest detail for this season. I love it. And let's not forget that there is pockets. So if you're a person that likes pockets, this one is for you. Now, the only thing that I'm not too happy about, I guess, is that there's a side zipper, and my personal preference is no side zipper. However, to get the look and the feel of this dress, you definitely need to have the zipper in the side. So I just followed the pattern and added the side zipper. It turned out amazing. I love how this pattern came together. It was a quick sew. And lately I have found that I do have a lot of quick sews, and they turn out to be beautiful dresses. So with that said, now if you are interested in the 360, I'm going to stop. Bring in the 360, enjoy the music as well as the visual of this amazing dress. I will meet you in the next section and close out.
The dishes in the sink, or the lack of a wink, or just because I love my life with you. I ran with you through our high school halls. You're the prettiest girl there ever was. Annie, darling, you're so sweet, and I'm so glad we had the chance to meet you. Caught my eye and you held my stare. I haven't broken it yet for over 50 years. Thanks for letting me lay by your side, and all those kisses every night. Why, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink, or the lack of a wink, or just because I love my life with you? We started ourselves a family. The boys, they came 1, 2, 3, and now they have little ones of their own, and half of them are halfway grown. I followed you around the world, and I still think you're the prettiest girl. And I got to dance with my best friend, so I'm the luckiest man that's ever been. Why, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't?
Okay friends, so that was the 360. Let me know your thoughts. Do you love how this dress flows, how it moves, how it fits me? And you can definitely see where everything falls on it in a 360. I believe that really helps you with your sewing, so that you can make a great informed decision based on sizing, because you guys know all my measurements, and this should help you and aid you in your own sewing project. That is all I have to share with you today. Big shout out and thanks to Modes4U for giving me the opportunity to try out this fabric and create a beautiful dress that I can share and inspire others to sew. Don't forget, every single thing that I shared will be left down in the descriptions, and the links will take you where you need to be. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye bye.
Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding on.